Hey, so today I decided that I am going to do BlushMark haul for you, show you what I got, and then after I show you what I got, I'm gonna try on the stuff for you. But the first outfit I already have on, so I'm gonna let you see it. Look at this, y'all. This is so cute. I am strong melanin queen who loves my brown skin. Black beauty comes in all shades. Now this means a lot right now. This means a lot. So, and I also have these beautiful, yeah, you see that pile of stuff over there. But, trying to keep it in the light for y'all. These pants, they have the little, come in right there. And they supposed to make your booty look a little bigger. I think it does a little job. You know, it looks the same to me. But it goes with this shirt. Yeah, that's my baby. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the stuff now. In a better lighting place. Welcome, kings and queens, to my channel, Danii Speaks. Here, we're going to talk about everything. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back, guys. So, let me show you the stuff. I got a little better lighting, and because it's real dark outside, you know, I just used the lights. So, I went to my comfortable chair, and now I'm going to show you some of the stuff I got. So, I already showed you this outfit. You know, you saw this. I got these socks from there, too, y'all. Look at these socks. Look at them. And they feel so comfortable. We're gonna see if I wash them a couple times and if, you know, they mess up in the dryer. But this dress, y'all, look at this. Look at the strings. And it's adjustable, so you can move it up and down. That's the back. Nice. And this is a size, what size did I get this? I don't see it on here. It has to be on the dress, right? Let's see. Check at the bottom. It says self. That's what the size is. Oh, this is a large. So yes, it's beautiful. I'm gonna try that on for you too. Okay. What is this in here? Oh, these are some brown shorts that I got. Yes. And these are a size large. Shh, move back. I'm trying to do this video. Stop, Daniel. These are a large. Stop doing. Next I have Just Do It. It's sort of like a Nike shirt. Very cute. Very cute. Shh. I love these colors. Okay, so this is a jumpsuit. Very cute. Jumpsuit. Look at these legs. Yes, and they have the little sleeve that's hanging off. So yes, I am gonna try that on as well. The material feels spandex. And it's a size large. Here's a black dress. It's very tight. Oh, y'all see that zipper? Look at that zipper. Zip it up and down. And I'm pretty sure this is a medium because I don't really buy small things. But, you know, I know it don't feel like a large. Yeah, it's a medium. It's a medium. This little dress. Move. This is not for my family channel. And then I bought this, y'all. It's like a waist trainer for $5. I think it was under $5. This is so cute. Look at it. You can just, has 3 different things you can use. And this is so cute. And I mean, it fits great for $5 and under. Very nice. I'll try this on too. So, as a parent, y'all know we be needing these. Ta-da! A belt. So yes, I'm gonna try this belt on too. I thought these little circles are so cute. See? Get that close up. Look. They can get it. These kids can get it. So let's put that back up too. Like I said earlier, look at all these socks. I got so many socks now. So many. Like all of socks. Socks. See, look at them. Nice socks. Different colors. Different colors. Some white. Brown. So many different colors in socks. So I also got this little accessory. I'm gonna put it on with the dress and let you guys see it. Okay? It's gonna look good. Trust me. Hey, how they be doing these little... And I'll be back.